All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're talking about how to build a real fortress around your company's most valuable asset. And I mean, of course, your data. We're going to look at Microsoft Azure Fabric and its powerful built-in security features that make this possible. So let me just start by asking you this question. Think about your own organization's data for a second. Is it a well-defended fortress, with strong walls and clear rules? Or is it maybe a little more like a free-for-all, scattered all over the place, with security that's kind of inconsistent? This is the core challenge we're going to tackle. Because, let's be honest, for a lot of companies, the reality is a kingdom without walls. Your data's everywhere, it's pretty vulnerable, and just trying to manage who has access to what, well, it can feel like a totally impossible task. And that, right there, creates some massive risks. Now, these right here, these are the essential building blocks of our data fortress. I mean, these are the absolute non-negotiables for any serious data platform. We're talking about protecting data from breaches, meeting all those complex compliance rules, and being able to track every single action for accountability. The stakes here are just incredibly high. And this is exactly where Microsoft Fabric comes into the picture. It's really designed to be the blueprint for your data fortress, with security and governance literally woven into its foundation from day one. So let's see how this thing is actually built. You got your workspace, right? That's where your teams collaborate. All the data lives in something called OneLake, which is a single unified source of truth. Data flows in through pipelines. But, and this is the important part, look at that fourth layer at the bottom, the governance layer. This is powered by Microsoft Purview, their unified data governance service. It's not bolted on as an afterthought. It's integrated across every single one of these components. And this quote just captures the whole philosophy perfectly. Governance built in, not added later. Think about that. It's not some extra feature you have to buy or try to integrate yourself. Security is a day one feature designed into the system from the ground up. And that, my friends, is a total game changer. Okay, so how do we actually defend this fortress? Well, it all starts at the main gates. We have to talk about controlling who gets the keys to the kingdom. The core concept here is something called role-based access control, or RBAC for short. So instead of giving permissions to individual people one by one, you give them to roles. Just think of it like a key card at an office. Your key card only opens the doors that are relevant to your specific job. Simple, right? And Fabric implements this beautifully. It connects directly with Azure Entra ID, which you probably already use for managing users. And this is where the all-important principle of least privilege comes into play. With RBAC, you only get access to what you absolutely need to do your job, and nothing more. This is such a fundamental shift, because if an account ever gets compromised, the potential damage, what we call the blast radius, is just dramatically smaller. Let's make this real with some examples. This table shows you some common roles you'd find in Fabric. A data engineer, for instance, they get the keys to the Lakehouse and the data pipelines, the raw materials. But what about a business analyst? Nope, they only get read-only access to the final polished reports. See? Everyone has exactly the access they need and not a bit more. That's RBAC in action. Okay, so we've secured the gates. Now, what about protecting the most valuable treasures inside the fortress? We've got to identify and classify the crown jewels. I'm talking about our most sensitive data. Now, the magic here is that this all happens automatically. As data flows into Fabric, Purview is constantly scanning it, looking for things like credit card numbers or personal IDs. When it finds something, it automatically applies a sensitivity label, like confidential. And then, bam, it enforces policies based on that label, like encrypting the data or preventing it from being exported. And you don't have to lift a finger. And look, these aren't just some vague, abstract ideas. You can define these really clear, understandable labels. This makes sure that everyone in the organization knows exactly how to handle different types of data, from stuff that's public all the way to highly sensitive personal information. So now that we've identified and labeled our crown jewels, we need a way to track their every move. See, a secure fortress needs an official scribe, someone who's recording every single event for traceability and auditing. In the world of Fabric, we call this data lineage. So check this out. This slide shows you the entire journey of a single piece of data. Purview tracks it from the moment it enters the system through every transformation it undergoes as it lands in the Lakehouse, gets refined for analytics, and finally appears in a Power BI report. What you get is a complete, unbroken chain of custody for your data. So why does this matter so much? Well, think about it. If a number in a report looks wrong, you can instantly trace that data all the way back to its source and find the error. If an auditor comes knocking and asks where a number came from, you can show them the exact path. It's all about trust, validation, and having complete control. And finally, every great fortress has to operate under a clear set of laws. Well, Fabric is built from the ground up to adhere to the strictest regulations and best practices in the industry. It's secure by design. Just look at this table. It shows you that Fabric is ready for the enterprise right out of the box. So whether you're in healthcare dealing with HIPAA or you're in finance managing PCI DSS, Fabric provides the built-in tools like encryption, audit logs, and access controls you need to help you meet those requirements. It's all part of the trusted Microsoft compliance ecosystem. And this slide just brilliantly illustrates the shift in mindset. The old way, assigning permissions directly to users was messy, hard to audit, and just prone to errors. The Fabric way, using group-based roles, is clean, it's scalable, and it enforces that principle of least privilege by default. It is simply a much more secure and modern way to work. So, at the end of the day, here's the crucial point. Azure Fabric isn't just another data platform. It's a secure, governed, and AI-ready platform where your data isn't just usable, it's trustworthy and compliant from the get-go. Look, security and governance, they're the foundation. They're what give you the confidence to really innovate. So we'll leave you with this thought. Your data fortress is ready. Now, what incredible things are you going to build with it?